Triumph is rolling out substantial updates to its Trident 660 and Tiger Sport 660 for 2026, with the headline change being a significantly revised engine borrowed from the Daytona 660 sports bike. The result is a noticeable jump in performance, alongside chassis tweaks, refreshed styling, improved suspension, and enhanced technology. At the heart of both models is the updated 660cc triple, now producing a claimed 95 brake horsepower at 11,250 RPM and 68 Nm of torque at 8,250 RPM. Triumph says an impressive 80% of that torque is available from as low as 3,000 RPM right through to nearly 12,000 RPM, promising strong real-world performance as well as top-end excitement. The red line has also been raised by 20% to 12,650 RPM, and an A2 compliant restrictor kit will be available for newer riders. A number of internal and external changes are responsible for the performance boost. Most notably, the engine now uses 3 individual 44mm throttle bodies instead of a single unit, one for each cylinder. This has required revisions to the tubular steel frame to accommodate the new layout, although the overall geometry remains unchanged. Further upgrades include a larger front-mounted airbox designed to improve airflow and deliver a more engaging induction sound, a revised cylinder head with larger exhaust valves and higher lift cam profiles. Cooling has also been improved via a larger radiator, repositioned for efficiency and paired with a bigger fan. Completing the engine overhaul is a fresh throttle tune aimed at smoother low-rev response. A new 3-into-1 exhaust header has been fitted, along with revised input and output shafts in the 6-speed gearbox. Gear ratios and final drive have been altered, and an updated quick shifter now enables clutchless up and down shifts. Chassis updates extend beyond engine packaging, with suspension receiving attention on both models. The Trident continues to use 41mm Showa front forks, now paired with an upgraded rear shock offering both preload and rebound adjustment for improved control and ride quality. The Tiger Sport retains its comfort-focused setup with 150mm of suspension travel, while the rear shock remains preload-adjustable to suit varying loads and riding conditions. With the added performance comes a slight increase in weight. The Trident now weighs 195 kilograms, while the Tiger Sport tips the scales at 211 kilograms. Beyond the engine, both bikes receive subtle styling updates and a selection of new color options. The familiar hybrid TFT/LCD display returns, complete with mobile connectivity for turn-by-turn navigation, music control, and other features. Full LED lighting is standard, and a 6-axis IMU underpins lean-sensitive rider aids, including cornering ABS. The Trident benefits from several ergonomic and practical updates. A wider fuel tank retains its 14-liter capacity, while a new split seat improves comfort for both rider and pillion. Seat height remains accessible at 810 millimeters, and wider new handlebars aim to enhance leverage and rider confidence. Triumph is also offering a range of accessories, including fly screens, bar end mirrors, and more. The Tiger Sport continues to focus on versatility and comfort. Seat height is set at 835 millimeters as standard, with an optional lower seat reducing this to 810 millimeters. A larger 18.6-liter fuel tank boosts touring range, and revised front-end styling includes new radiator cowls designed to provide improved weather protection for the rider. With more power, refined suspension, sharper electronics, and thoughtful updates throughout, Triumph's updated Trident 660 and Tiger Sport 660 look set to raise the bar once again in the competitive middleweight segment.